G'day everybody, Patrol Gaming, and welcome back to another reaction video. Well, I've got some more country for us today. So this is going to be Ronnie Milsap. So I haven't heard him before. The only reason I know him is because when I did the country week, people were pointing out different stars and this gentleman's name came up. So I'm going to do Smokey Mountain Rain. So I had to actually Google where Smoky Mountains were, so I had no idea. I've heard of Rocky Mountains, never heard of Smoky Mountains, so now I know where they are. So let's just jump straight into some Ronnie Milsap with Smokey Mountain Rain.
A thumb away from LA back to Knoxville, I found out those bright lights ain't where I belong. From a phone booth in the rain, I called to tell her I've had a change of dreams, I'm coming home. But tears filled my eyes when I found out she was gone. Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling, keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain rain, I'll keep on searching, I can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain rain. I waved the diesel down outside a cafe. He said that he was going as far as Gatlinburg. Oh, I climbed up in the cab all wet and cold and lonely. I wiped my eyes and told him about her. I've got to find her. Can you make these big wheels burn? Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling, keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain rain, I'll keep on searching, I can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain rain. I can't blame her for letting go. A woman needs someone warm to hold. Feel the rain running down my face, I'll find her no matter what it Smoky Mountain rain keeps on falling. I keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain rain, I'll keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way. Smoky Mountain rain, I keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain rain, I'll keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain rain.
Okay, that was good. I enjoyed it. Very descriptive song. Great singer, great country voice he's got too. Um, I have to ask, he's blind, isn't he? That was when he stood up. I thought, whoa, hang on a minute, isn't he blind? Um, I don't know what the band thought of that when he's standing up, but just such a great song. You could listen to the story and just kind of really connect with it. Finding out what happened, and very descriptive. You know, the Smoky Mountain Rain. You could almost kind of hear it dripping through the trees and the mist, everything. What a great country song. Great country song. As I said, I've never heard of him before. But yeah, definitely let me know other songs I should do from Ronnie. He was just such a soulful, but just such a calming voice too when he's singing as well. So what a great song. Very descriptive, very nice. Obviously he couldn't handle it in the big city or wherever he was and moved back down. Was it Knoxville? Is that is it Tennessee? I have no idea. America just confuses me completely. It's so, I mean, it's comparable size to Australia, but it's got so many more cities. It's just amazing. So many different cities. I mean, we've got that people know of. You know, we've probably got maybe half a dozen that people know of. America's got what, 27,000? I have no idea. I have no idea. It confuses me. So that's why I had to look up Smoky Mountain just to know where they were. So, but anyway, hopefully, guys, you enjoyed it. A little bit more country on the channel, a little bit different country as well. Again, as I said, put it down in the comment section. More from Ronnie, and if you've got somebody else we haven't done too, let me know. Pass me a link. You can do it through Facebook. You can do it through the email, or even on Twitter as well. All that information is down in the description. So definitely contact me. I'd definitely like to hear different music. Especially music we haven't done. I always enjoy discovering a new band, a new sound. Yeah, definitely too. So, but guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. As I said, give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know that you did. And guys, hopefully I will see you in the next reaction video.